Okay, viewers, I am on a Dasaswamedh Ghat, and this is a live to just show you that another mega event is on its way, which will be starting from the Khichdi, Makar Sankranti, and those who have already visited Mahakumbh will be able to connect themselves. This is a Ganga Maiya, and this is a Ganga Maiya. You can see kind of prayer going on. This is a Ganga, and you can see those lines, you know, those pillars with the light. Those are the roads being constructed again, and devotees are here, paying their homage to Gangaji. You see the holy water, Ganga Maiya. I don't know whether you are able to see it or not, but Ganga is in a great flow. It's a very fast flow, and I don't know, my phone is able to catch or not. The water is also making a splash sound while doing, and those are the Ganges, those are the road being made and constructed. You can see one vehicle moving there. Let me get it if I can. Yes, you can see a vehicle. That means a Paltun bridge has been constructed, and those who have visited here in Kumbh will relate them. And that is Sangam nose, which they call it a nose or whatever. I mean, where the confluence of Ganga and Yamuna takes place. This is a point. This is a point where the bridges, you can be able to connect yourself with the bridges which you have seen there, and that is a Sangam. That is a Sangam, and this is a newly built ghat of in this Kumbh Mela. It was newly built. Earlier it was simply a bank, a river bank, Ganga river bank. But you can see this, though it's a little dark, but I guess you are getting the glimpse of the Paltun bridge which are being constructed. Like this, many bridges will be constructed. At present I am not aware of the numbers, but it will be constructed, the bridges. Those who have visited and attended the Kumbh Mela, they will relate themselves. See, this is a bridge which has been one bridge. Another you can see there. This one you can see. Like this, there will be many bridges, maybe 10, 12, 9, whatever number is. And this is a point which is called, this is a point where the light ends. That is a point where Ganga and Yamuna Sangam takes place, the confluence of both the river Ganga Maiya. And see this Ganga Maiya. Okay, have a darshan of Ma Ganga, and if I get some, yeah, I'm getting some water. See the flow. You can see the flow. You can. What a place, Prayagraj. What a place to live for a sadhu, for a seeker. I find many people right there in their bio, in their introduction, that they are a spiritual seeker. This is a place you should come and stay. And those who are in my friend list, they can message me. I think it's late evening and you can see the activities. You can see the activities here. Jai. Jai. Those actually these are the Ganges basin. Okay, these are the Ganges basin in the when there is too much water. The Ganga flows everywhere from this point to that point. It is filled with water. Now you can see they are little constructing the place wherever they are finding a place here in the Ganges basin. And that bridge is a landmark. Everybody have seen that bridge and have crossed that bridge. Most of them have crossed it because that is a point. People who came from Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, they have crossed from there to this point. After coming to this point, there is a ramp going down and road going down, and from there they have reached there. And this is a new ghat, the first ghat. Earlier, Balua Ghat was there, but at the Sangam area, this is the first ghat which was made during the. So I'm signing off. Thank you all viewers for seeing this. Hope you will enjoy it and get some insight. I will be updating you about the upcoming big Kumbh fair, Kumbh Mela, which is equivalent to Magh Mela, with the same quantum, but little less people visiting, like millions you have seen, but here it will be little less. Okay. Jai Ganga Maiya. Jai Ganga Maiya.